It is currently 12:29. I don't know if you can see that. And I've just woken up about an hour ago here with my dog. This is usually how my day would start. I'll get up, have a shower, maybe take the dog for a walk. Pretty cruisy for the first part of the day. If I have anything to do, like I need to go pick up something or do any errands, which I do actually have to go to the post office later on, maybe a little bit boring. I may go down to the beach because it's 30 degrees today, but yeah, we'll see what the day brings us. So just jumped out of the shower. I thought I'd do my skincare. I've already applied the Truth Serum that I spoke about in my current favorites video. Gonna apply some eye cream. This is the banana bright one that I spoke about in that video too. So this is like a weird angle because usually you guys are like seeing that side. And then I'm going to be applying, because we're going to the beach, that Mecca, oh, you can't even see it, that Mecca sunscreen, this one here. Love this stuff. I'm also going to bring it with me. Might just quickly put on some Benefit Gimme Brow, just for a little bit of something something. I love this for when I'm like not wearing any makeup, just because I have my eyebrows tattooed and it gives it a little bit of thickness. If you can like see the difference between the brows. And because I have eyelash extensions, it doesn't make my eyelashes look too crazy if my brows are done a little bit. I really need to get these refilled. So weird that like brushing my lashes has become like a daily routine. Now that the sunscreen's soaked in, I'm going to apply my moisturizer. It's the Ole Henriksen one. I can never say that name. Henriksen. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the beach in a little bit, but I'm gonna go to the shops first just because there's a couple of things that I want to repurchase. I'm doing some makeup this weekend and next weekend for a couple of girls, so I want to make sure I'm stocked up on like my foundation that they liked last time, and also those Stila glitter eyeshadows. I look so shiny. I also don't know if this is interesting, but this is what I'm going to take to the beach. This is a Friends bag because I'm obsessed with Friends. And then I've just got like a jumper for me to take afterwards. I've got some sunscreen, some facial mist. I've got this like towel thing to sit on, and just this like pack of clothes. It's very boring and I don't know why I showed you that, but just in case anyone's interested, it's not a full-blown like bag that you see like what's in my bag. It's just a realistic bag of what I take to the beach. So I've just come back from the shops and I thought I'd show you what I bought. So I got some Stila eyeshadows. This is in the set I Spy. It's got Golden Eye, Bronze Eye and Rock and Rose. These are the ones I talked about in my current favorites, the ones that are like really pigmented. And then I restocked Kitten Karma and Diamond Dust. I also picked up this sponge here because I saw it advertised online. It's the Juno & Co Microfiber Rose Velvet Sponge. They had this one and they had the blue one, but I think they're like the same, just different colors. So I want to do a whole video on that, like comparing that to like a beauty blender. And then I got the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel. This is like a sample size. I think this was like $15 and I really want to try it. I then stocked up on this foundation because this is the main foundation that I use for clients. I just use a little bit of this mixed in with any other foundation that they like, suited to their skin type, because it gives extra coverage. And then I just got 2 samples of foundation. I got the ABH foundation, like the luminous one, and the Beauty Blender Bounce foundation that I thought I could do a review on. I'm going to go to the beach with my friends and then I will start my day Ubering, which is the whole reason why you guys are clicking on this video probably. This is literally like a day in my life being an Uber driver. Sometimes it can be really boring and I just sleep all day, or sometimes it can be full of things to do. Yeah, so let's go to the beach.
Scan your first time. Have a Flybuys cup.
Okay, so I have just pulled over on the side of the road. I have a hat mark from my hat today. I've been to the beach, I vacuumed my car, I washed it. I've done a couple of trips on Uber, and now I'm gonna work for the rest of the night. I'm currently in South Melbourne. It's still 28 degrees according to my car thermometer, but yeah, I'm feeling really hot. I don't look too sunburnt, which I'm pretty happy about, but yeah, that's all I'm gonna do for the rest of the night. If you want like a more in-depth what people do being an Uber driver, let me know, but there's not really much to it. Every day is different. If I have something to do, I'll do it. If I don't have anything to do, I'll literally just like sleep or film or edit or something like that. But yeah, I hope it was somewhat interesting, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.